Hi there, I'm Maria, an engineer on the developer experience team. And today I'm going to show you how to create custom visualizations, configure custom visualizations in the builder, add them to a dashboard, and explore the pre-built quick starts we offer based on some common use cases. Let's get started. As your team and company scales, more and more data starts coming in from different sources, and more people become interested in seeing the health of your systems. In order to create views that fit the needs of different stakeholders, from your engineering manager to your product VP, we'll need to create custom visualizations. Building a custom visualization is pretty similar to building a custom application on your one. So first, let's go to the Apps button in the main navigation bar. And then from here, select the Custom Visualizations tile. This view is where you'll see any custom visualizations available to you. Since we currently don't have any, it's just some text guiding us to get started. I'm going to click on the Developer Center link. And from this view, you can get your API key as well as install the NR1 CLI. And these are the two components that you'll need to get started building. Since I already have these installed and configured, I'm just going to move over to the terminal and create a visualization. Here in my terminal, I'm already in a directory, a NerdPack directory. So to create a visualization, you must already be in a NerdPack. So you could create one doing NR1 create and selecting the NerdPack option. Since I've already created one, I'm just going to run NR1 create, but I'm going to select the visualization option. I'm just going to go with the pre-populated name for my visualization. And here, this created a template visualization for us, as well as install the Recharts data visualization library. So I'm going to open this NerdPack in my code editor, and we can take a look at what was just generated for us. So if we see here in the visualizations directory, we have a index.js file, which holds the code for the template visualization to get you started, and a NR1 JSON file. And this holds configuration information for your visualization. So this is where you can specify what properties your visualization needs to either render properly or what can be customized. So let's run this locally and take a look. Here in the NerdPack, running the npm start command, we'll run it local for you. We can see our visualizations here. And if we navigate to this URL, and then go back to apps and custom visualizations, we can now see that we have something in here, and the local label shows us that this is the one we have running locally. So I'm going to click on it to open it. And my visualization is not currently displayed because I need to configure a couple of properties. So as you can see, we need to provide an Oracle query and an account ID. So first I'm going to select my account ID. And then I'm going to just use the sample Oracle query provided here. There we go. All right. And now we can see a radar chart. We have a couple properties we can customize here, such as the fill color and the stroke color. So I'm going to just populate those and see my visualization change. As you can see, the Add to Dashboard button is currently disabled because we have this visualization running locally. To be able to add it to a dashboard, we would need to publish it. So I'm going to move over back to the terminal, publish the visualization, so that way I can make it available to others in my organization and use it in a dashboard. I'm going to stop the locally running one, and I'm going to run the NR1 NerdPack publish command. Great, and now that that's done, I'm also going to subscribe my account. And then when I go back to custom visualizations, I will have the one I just created available to me. Give it a refresh. There it is. So I'm going to configure my visualization again. Pick out a nice fill and stroke color. And now I can see Add to Dashboard is available. I'm going to select it. And I'm just going to create a new dashboard, but you can also add to an existing dashboard. I'm going to give my dashboard a name. And I'm going to select an account, and I'm just going to use the same account. And select Add to Dashboard. And we can see in this toast that this was successful. I'm going to follow this link to look at my dashboard. Great. and there's my custom visualization. So that's how you build, configure, and then add a custom visualization to a dashboard. If you're interested in even more resources, we've got you covered. So we'll navigate back to the New Relic One catalog. And here you can see the Quick Starts library. This contains some pre-built dashboards based on common use cases, such as cloud migration, monitoring SRE golden signals, and more. Best of all, these are all completely open source, so we're constantly iterating on them with the community by our side. And that's how easy it is to customize your data to fit your needs. We built these tools to help you tell an end-to-end story with your data, regardless of where it comes from, and help you provide appropriate information for any type of stakeholder. If you're looking for more information on how to get started with any of our developer tools and resources, check out developer.newrelic.com and opensource.newrelic.com. Until next time, happy building!